In today's video, I'll teach you how to clear watch history on Instagram. First of all, open the Instagram application. You can see over here I've opened it. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you'll be led to the profile interface. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Under the section for how you use Instagram, you'll be able to find this option for your activity. What you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see your activity over here. Simply scroll down. Find the option for watch history and tap on it. Now you'll be able to see all the videos that you've watched over here. So if you want to clear it, tap on this option, select that you can see on the screen. Now after that, tap on the video that you would like to remove. Simply tap on all the videos. Now tap on the remove option that you can see at bottom. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on the remove option again. Now after that, you can see over here there will be no recent watch history. Your watch history has been cleared. So that is how you clear watch history on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.